irazo izokutshela mshanami intombi engana intombi engaka mshanami yabo irazo yakho umuntu obukela kuyena uzokutshela mshanami yabona ke idamu leli ligoqwa kanje yabo irazo yakho supposed to be immense uzokutshela ukuthi uDecember phuza uDecember sidla imali asinawo umuntu ozokugada asinawo umuntu ozokuyisa ozoba ne direction empilweni yeyouth si end up ahlale izitolo nawo lamarazu labantu
labalimele who are supposed to be mentoring
ama mentors ahlala nathi esitolo ama mentors acela thina ishuma ama mentors asifuna imali yabi yabo and then it becomes a cycle ukuthi nathi siba routine because isikhulile abantu aba routine shiya uthi endlini okay ema teachings asendlini uyawathola phela yabalekile but uyamdinga umuntu out there ozobe imentor kuwena ozokutshela mshanami mina ngenza into ethize ngicela ukufundisa noma ungayithandi but at least iba ne knowledge ngikwazi ukushaya ipiano mshanami woza kufundisa ngikwazi ukushaya isiging woza kufundisa we don't have that bahlala emgaqweni baphuza amabhiya kuze kushonila
yazi lento so raise ibaleke kakhulu mhlamba ake nawo sibhek nje nina njengana nabantu abasebancane nikhulela kwi community whereby issue yotshwala has become so wild abantu bonke bayaphuza ngeweekend ukwazi ukuthi kumele kuphuzwe in affects kangakanani lento yokuthi abantu abangaphambi kwenu sebehlezi bephuzile nabangangani bahlezi bephuzile where do you get inspiration or motivation ukuthi I can be a better person when everybody around you is drunk?
I've always had that influence from ekhaya ukuthi I can be better, I can do better. Angamandi i-environment engikuyona kakhulu because la as long as la ku right then ngizoya phambili. Now when I sit with my friend ngagcine sengibe lo mngani lawa makuhleli namajito ukuthi hayi bomfethu yazi mfethu asishama CV hayi bomfethu yazi mfethu asithola umsebenzi lapha yana yabo asenza ukuthi khona i-conference ekhona samse kubo siye khona sibone so gainani. I'm that friend engithini a push nabangani bami ukuthi let's move forward. Let's move forward ngalokuthi in a way ukuthi they even stopped ukwenzeni izinto eziningi because of the environment bese bedonseke ekutheni baphuza utshwala bese bedonseke ekutheni ukuthi baphafuze lezi zinto eziphafuzwa right ngasho kanjalo bese bedonseke and now it came to a point ukuthi ngiba keep up busy hlezi senze izinto until baphuma kuleyo mqondo baphuma kuona njengamanje all of my friends basebenza omunye usafuna